Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is English for grade 2, and we are learning unit 1, that is a story about Hazrat Asma Razila Tala Anha. And today is lecture 3. Under the pronunciation skills, we will learn about vowels and consonants, and we'll cover page number 9 of your book. In your previous class, English for grade 1, unit 3, lecture number 2, I have taught you about vowels and consonants. I hope you remember. And again, today's SLO is about to recognize and identify consonants and vowels in English alphabet. Now let's see the name of Allah. Starts with the letter A. Subhanallah. Allah's name starts with the letter A. And this A is the first letter of English alphabets, and it is a vowel. It is a vowel. See, Allah's name, Subhanallah, Allah's name starts with the first letter of English alphabets, and that alphabet is a vowel as well. So what vowels are, we will learn further. I hope you remember all the ABC letters. Yes, now mashallah, you are in grade 2. You know all the letters of ABC. This ABC letters we categorize in 2 categories. One is known as consonants and the other is known as vowels. So when we, from all the English alphabets, we take 5 letters out, which are A, E, I, O, U. When we take these 5 letters, separate, these 5 letters are known as vowels and rest of the letters are known as consonants. When the 5 vowels are separated from all the alphabets, rest are known as consonants, and they are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these letters together are called consonants, and these 5 letters A, E, I, O, U together are known as vowels, right? So how do we remember them? On your 5 fingers, A, E, I, O, U. 5 consonants, 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So you can memorize, you can learn them with your fingers. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. And when we take these vowels out of all the alphabets, the rest are consonants. So you should categorize, recognize, identify, because further we will learn more things. Why we need to separate vowels and how do we deal with them, we'll learn further. So at this stage, you should know 5 vowels, and rest of the alphabetic letters are known as consonants. All right. So now open your book on page number 9. What do they say about consonants and vowels? Here is an activity. What you have to do in the given words, circle the vowels and underline the consonants. So wherever you find a vowel, you have to circle it, and wherever you find a consonant, you have to underline it. Now pause the video. These words are there in your book. Pause the video and do this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? That's great. Here I have an announcement for my fellow teachers. Along with this video lecture, in description box, the links are given for PowerPoint presentation, for lesson plan, and for worksheet. You may click the link, download it, take a print, and follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. So the next activity is again on page number 9. It is to identify and to underline the initial consonant. Only initial consonant letter you will underline in the following words. So the words are given here. You have to identify and underline the initial means beginning, the first consonant letter of these words. Now pause the video and enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? That's great. So here I'm going to give you a homework. What you are supposed to do? Write words starting from each alphabet. Each alphabet from A to Z, you will write words, you will make a list, and what I suggest, use two different colors to differentiate between vowels and consonants. And here I have given you a worksheet. Again, teachers, this worksheet, PowerPoint presentation and lesson plans are given in the description box. You may click the link, download it and take a print. Give that printed worksheet to children for more practice. And what, my dear students, you are supposed to do, you have to color the vowel red and consonant blue. Here are the vowels and consonant. There is a mixed blend. So for vowels, you will use red color, and for consonants, you will use blue color. That's it for today. What we have learned, we recognized and identified vowels and consonants in English alphabets. And then we practiced to recognize and identify vowels and consonants. In this way, we achieved our today's SLO, that is to recognize and identify consonants and vowels in English alphabets. So are we done with this SLO? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, take care. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.